this is like a rule. So whenever we start to draw a face, we need to start with a circle. Then after you draw the circle, draw a line down in the middle. As for the length of the line, the part of the line that protrudes out from the circle is half of the circle. Then the next step is to draw the jaw. It's alright if it isn't really proportionate, because after you finish everything, you can just adjust it again. Also, bad news, my camera broke, so I wouldn't be able to do any paper pencil drawings for the time being. So now, at the point that you drew the jaw, draw a straight line across. This is to mark out the eyes. Then the next step is to draw a rectangle below the line that you have just drawn. This rectangle is a guideline for the nose. If you want a fat nose, you can just draw the rectangle thicker. If you want a thin nose, just draw it thinner. Blah blah blah. You can draw it however you want it. Then after drawing the nose, you draw like 2 lines coming out from the top of the rectangle and just like make it long, you know. Once you're done with that, draw 2 dark circles at the bottom of the rectangle and draw the sides of the nose. Now we focus on the eyes again, so draw another layer of eye below the eyelids that you have drawn, and then just connect the ends. Now just try to make the eyes as similar as you can, okay? And then after you draw the eyes, erase the guidelines inside the eyes. Okay, then erase the guidelines inside the nose. Now I just try to change the shape of the nose a little bit, so I usually just draw like 2 lines inward. And then once you're done with that, in the nose draw like a little line. Because your nose is not flat, right? Unless you're drawing Voldemort or something. But anyways, now we draw like a tiny rectangle at the bottom of the nose. Then now for the mouth, just draw 2 curves coming out from that tiny rectangle, and then from the middle line, darken the center. And then after that, join the sides. Then the bottom lip is just another curve, but be careful not to draw a guy's lips too thick, or else it'll look like a woman. You get what I mean? Okay, then just erase the middle guidelines. Okay, over here I was just trying to fix the jaw a little bit. Okay, now for the pupils, I also just freehand them, you know. But I mean, you can just try your best to make them as symmetrical as you can. And yeah, I mean, it's simply just like a few curves. Okay, now we can't forget that guys also have eyelashes, so we just darken the top part of their eyes. I like how some guys have like bigger, longer, more luscious eyelashes than the girls. That makes me kind of jealous of them sometimes. Then draw 2 lines below the eye, cause people have eye bags. Alright, now from the side of the eyes, draw 2 lines protruding out from the head, and we'll use those lines for the ears. Then for the rest of the ears, you can just follow how I did it in the video. Oh yeah, guys, really big apology because of my horrible posting schedule, but you're a legend if you're still here. Okay, remember to erase the line in the middle of the forehead. Yeah, I don't don't think we need that. We draw 2 lines above the nose and plot your eyebrows and just like connect them. By plotting your eyebrows, I mean like drawing a dot at the end of your eyebrows so you know where to connect the lines. Over here, I guess you can try to copy how I drew the hair, but the first time I drew the hair was not really hairing, so I had to like redraw it. But it's pretty simple. Yeah, you can just try and replicate how I did it in the video. Or you can even just draw your own hairstyle, create a new one. Comment down below if you want a tutorial for how to draw hair. And this video is not really focused on like the hair, you know, but like this video is more focused on the facial features of a male. And then the last part, the neck, just draw like 2 lines and a curve at the bottom and 2 other curves coming out as the shoulders. I hope you enjoyed this video and please like and subscribe.